Good morning. I literally started recording this video at the tail end of the last one. There was not even a 10-second gap. In today's video, I'm going to finally install my Starlink. I bought a Starlink Mini and I'm installing it on the roof. So that's what's happening in today's video. But first, I'm going to eat this delicious breakfast of blueberries and granola before it gets soggy. And you're going to watch me. It was really good. Whoops. One thing that I've realized is that I threw away the straw for my coffee. Big mistake. My plan is potentially installing my Starlink. Whether it happens or not is a different matter because it looks like it's going to rain a bit more. And if it's raining, I can't install my mount because it's going to be VHB taped on. And the VHB tape is not going to be installed when it's wet. I'm not going to do that. I'm not that dumb. So the plan is to install the Starlink, but it may not happen today. And the way we're going to figure it out is by drinking coffee, just like a Neanderthal, I guess. As a good-ass coffee. That's the best coffee I've had in a while. Holy shit. Okay. I can hear the rain starting already. Right, let's look at the weather forecast. So we have rain from 9 till 10. I have a call at 11:30. Okay, so the new plan for today is I'm going to do some work here, do some bits and bobs. Up until about midday, I have a call at about midday that's important. Then, if the weather is okay, I'm going to head to storage and install my Starlink, and then I'm going to pick up the paint. This rain is trying to make it not happen. Trying to make it not happen. Well, I went outside to use the bathrooms at the park, and yeah, it started raining again, that's for sure. Started raining again. What I think I'm going to do is, while I'm doing some work and crossing my fingers hoping that the rain stops, is I'm going to open my window and enjoy some fresh, cool, rainy air coming in, which in Houston, Texas is super rare to be able to do. So that's what I think I'm going to do, is just have a nice little chill, relaxy, rainy weekend morning. I shouldn't be working this weekend, but I am doing, because I have a problem. Alright, the rain has cleared up a little bit. I've done a bunch of work. I'm gonna take some trash out. I've got a big old bag of trash, and don't know what that was. And then I'm going to shower. I'm going to take my call. And then I'm going to make a judgment as to whether I'm going to head to storage and install my Starlink or not. It's all dependent on the weather, but let's see what happens. Showered. I'm ready for my call. I have got about 30 minutes to the call. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to send a couple of emails, catching up on my emails for work. Then I'm going to have my call, and then next 3 hours we've got a 80% chance of thunderstorms. Wonderful. So it looks like we're not going to install Starlink today, which is a little bit frustrating. That's a little bit frustrating. I'm going to send some emails, prep for my call, and then plan for tomorrow, I guess. We're gonna get Starlink installed, and we're gonna get this place painted as well. That call went very well. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't still on the call. Yeah, that call went very well. So I'm happy with that. Makes me very happy. Kind of stuck for what to do now. Let me have a think. Let me have a little think on what I'm going to do with the rest of my day. Rain has started as predicted, as the gods foretold. It's literally just started, so you can barely see what's happening, but yeah. Today is not Starlink installation day, that's for sure. So I just sat there and did a little bit of mental math and stuff, and I think I'm going to have an organization day today. It is a Saturday, so I was thinking about live streaming tonight, but I'm trying to keep myself on my work pace right now to just balance things out a little bit. And so today I think I'm going to skip it. The reason why I'm going to skip it is because I do a lot of video stuff for my work, and obviously I do a lot of video stuff for this channel. And I have basically two different setups for my work compared to this channel. Like right now I'm filming on a DJI Action 4. But for my work I use like a webcam and different lights and different microphones and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get less crap in the truck. I really want to like minimize, which basically means multi-function stuff is useful. So I think because I have two different setups, I want to reduce it down to one. So I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to sell all of my, or a lot of my current camera setup and reduce it down to one. So I think I'm going to get myself the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Well, there's actually another brand that is DJI's like sub company, so they can avoid like tariffs and stuff. So maybe it'll be that one, but I think I'm going to get that one camera that I can use A as a webcam, B as a vlogging camera for this channel. Then that means I can get rid of this camera, I can get rid of my other cameras as well, and just reduce the amount of stuff in the truck. So I would be selling, I have 3 cameras right now, this, and 2 webcams, and then I also have 3 microphones. I have a Rode wireless microphone, I have DJI wireless microphone for this, and then I have a kind of a big, beefy Rode microphone. So I'd probably reduce the amount of microphones I have. So reduce the microphones, reduce the cameras, to just have a simpler setup. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put up my old stuff for sale. I'm going to buy the new thing. It should equal out to pretty much exactly the same amount, so that's not a big deal. I won't be spending more. I'll actually just be kind of even, but I'll be reducing the setup. But I'm also going to use today to get even more organized, figure out what I'm going to throw away, what I'm going to sell, what I'm going to keep, and how I can keep my setup lean. So that's what I'm going to do now. Little rainy day, spring clean, autumn clean, fall clean, whatever you want to call it in the States. I'm doing that. That's what I think I'm going to do. I've done a lot. My camera actually ran out of battery, so I just had to charge it for that last little bit of organization. However, so what I've done is, here I've got stuff that I need to mail and sell. So that's that little pod over there.
I've got stuff here that I am... Well, where are we? I've got stuff down here that I am throwing away. So that's just a bunch of stuff that was taking up space. I went through all of the receipts and bits of paper and stuff like that that I had and organized that to throw that away. I went through each one of my drawers and I organized all of them. So I have stationery in there, I have cables in here, I have upcoming projects in here, and then junk in the bottom. Then I went through here and this was full of just like piles and piles and piles of stuff. Papers and wires and all that sort of stuff. So I got rid of all that, went through all of that, organized it. This is still temporary, but it's at least slightly organized. This is stuff for my work. So I have my teleprompter, which used to be here. I've now removed it from here. Got my teleprompter, my microphone, and my lights here. So that is organized. This is still my electrical cabinet that needs cable management, but I at least have this little shelf in for some reason. So, I mean, these still need to be finished off with backing and stuff, but they're better than they were. And then I did some neatening up of my... I'm going to start working on my little home lab server. So I've changed this around slightly, got rid of some stuff, ready for the upgrade and changes, and got rid of some stuff from here. So this is neater, but not perfect. We're getting closer. And then what I did in my upper cabinet here is I put all of my laundry and toilet paper and stuff like that thing in there. We'll talk about this another time. These are my clothes. And then I have some other stuff just stored over there. But it is all organized and together in one spot. Now I have to throw away this junk. Yeah, that was useful. That was actually really useful. I just got everything all in one place. I love throwing stuff out. It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. The thing with having such a small space is that you really... When stuff is left out, like, even here, if you just look, just my phone being on there and having that, once you start leaving stuff out, everything just starts to look terrible. Like this wire, like, it just clutters the space so much. So van life has definitely taught me to be way more organized and more regular with my, like, auditing of my organization. It's definitely forced me to be more ruthless with what I have, what I use, and what I don't use. For sure. I'm definitely learning to be more thoughtful and conscious of like what I'm buying and what I'm keeping here. I'm going to finish up with this batch of organizing and probably do the floor as well. Okay, let's have a snack, let's throw out trash, and let's continue organizing. I have done a lot of eBaying today. Bought a lot of stuff, selling a lot of stuff, and feeling pretty accomplished. There's one thing that I've realized just now, and that's to do with my sofa. So something that happened is that the back of my sofa, so this is loose, this is a loose cushion. Normally it's up here like this, right? But the seat of my sofa pushed a bit too far forward and this fell back. And I sat on it anyway. And as I sat on it, I was like, first of all, the back of the sofa feels better. 2 inches lower. This is 2 inches, right? Yeah. It feels better 2 inches lower. But not only that, the seat cushion, at the moment it's just the cushion, being 4 inches forward feels a lot better. It feels more like an actual sofa. So let me show you. Basically, this is forward 4 inches. You can see that this just has a lip because this is just a cushion. So this is 4 inches forward. The reason why I had it further back originally is so that basically everything just was on one line. So that's like 24 inches, I think, or something like that. Because I thought it would feel awkward if it stuck out more. But seeing it stick out more doesn't make that much of a difference, really. That feels better further down. And this feels better further forward. Like, it feels more like an actual sofa here. So because of that, I think I'm going to modify my sofa slightly. I know it's only 4 inches, but even just like, I tried it out before, even just like lying on it like this, it feels very different. It feels like there's a lot more room. That extra 4 inches just makes it feel like a real sofa rather than an attempt at a sofa. So I think that I'm going to modify it. I've got so much plywood. Really, I just need a 3/4 inch strip at the back, or multiple strips to go across the back to extend the lid out. That is something that I'm almost definitely going to do. And I just had that realization now. So there you go. I think that's it for now. What a random day. What a totally random day. I still haven't installed my Starlink. I was going to put the whole Starlink installation into one video, and I might not be able to. I may have to split it. Anyway, thanks for joining, whatever this was. That's it for Saturday night. Getting organized. That's it for now. For now, I'm clocking out.